welcome back to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my tassels. So I have my embroidery floss here. I have cut off like 5 inches. And then I have a cardboard box cut out. It's about 5 inches long because I need my tassel to be around 5 inches. So I'm going to take my piece of embroidery floss. Sorry, I'm putting it the wrong way. And I'm going to set it across like this. Then I'm going to take the rest of my embroidery floss and I'm going to begin to wrap it up and down the cardboard like this. For these tassels, I only want maybe 10 strings on each side, so I'm gonna wrap it maybe 10 times. I have not been counting, so just a couple more would do. That's more than 10. Now you're gonna take your 5-inch string and you're gonna tie 2 knots in it. You wanna keep it at a loop, so you still want it to have the loop so you can hang it on whatever you're attaching the tassel to. Oh my God, you guys, I hate tying small strings. You can tie it however you tie, whatever kind of knot works for you. I'm just doing a simple loop. If I can get it in there. Right, so I have it tied. I'm gonna cut this excess string right here from the nut. Yeah, these scissors need to be sharpened. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my scissors and slide it in between the cardboard and the floss. Make sure I have it under all of them like this. And take it to the bottom and cut. Oh. My last string. Now I'm going to take my embroidery floss and begin to wrap it just around maybe 1 inch or so down from the loop. And you can wrap it as many times as you want. A couple times will do for me. Then you want to tie it in a knot. Some like to tie it in a knot, cut, and then put a little small tab of glue there. I just tie it in a knot. It works for me. And then I'm going to cut. And then I have my tassel. I'll cut my strings a little even. There you guys go. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop giving